Guys, and today we will be playing Teardown. You may have seen my first video sinking of Gray Rock. That was Roblox. This will be a Steam game. You see that we have all these maps. I've completed the campaign. As you're about to see when it's done loading, I have everything completed. See, everything is completed in the campaign. I got mods downloaded from past playing. Like this. Bunker Buster. We will go to Sandbox Games first. We'll start from Lee Chemicals and make our way to Clennington. That sounds good. By the time I'm recording this, it's actually 9 p.m. It's late. So yeah, this might be a short video. I might do a part 2. Probably even a part 3, you know. I'm just gonna make a playlist called Teardown. I'll just do that. But this is my first video of Teardown. Also, sorry if I was too quiet in the last video. I really didn't know how this would work. I mean, I use snipping to record. Yeah. Not fun. But basically all you do in this game is like, you can do whatever you want. Like, I don't know. Spawn remote explosive. Just take this. Go to the top of this room. I get back here. Now I'm going in. This is the everything revolver. You can literally use a duck shot. Hold on. One easy way to do it. That is the Zeneca. Steal this coffee machine. Oh, TV. Hello. Floating TV? Nah. Yoy, I get to watch TV. TV, not TV. Whatever. Wow! Why do I need this stuff? I mean, it's cool that you can actually have a, you know, a real TV that you can watch in this game. I broke the only working TV, I believe. But there's that one working TV in the campaign. This is the factory. where we make propane canisters appear out of mid-air. Like that. Oh, I saw that explode. I know how to. Wait, I want to show you guys something. This, it's an old mod because, I mean, since they added arms, it looks weird, but watch this. I can cut that building in half. Just like that. Oh, I also kind of cut in half the energy cube. Dari Vengeance Katana. Slow-mo. That was partially my fault, I'd say. But not really. So let's get in and see a broken cube. Thought I broke even more. And I perfectly cut off a small door. I can fit through it. I've actually never used this thing before, but it's a medieval bow. This is a drone. I can't shoot myself. Look. And look at my shield. Yeah. But I'm out of the map. Why is that just going on forever? Watch this. There's no more color anyway. I think we should get heading to the next one. I think I can only record, yeah, I can only record for 30 minutes on Snipper tool. I can only record for 30 minutes. I wasted 8. We might get to Hollow Rock, but I'm not sure. We might only do 3. Might as well do 3. I mean, don't want to do too long video for you guys watching. Please subscribe. I mean, I'm a new YouTuber in YouTube. Now, a thing that I was hesitant to tell you guys. I have an old channel. Back when I was 7. I don't know. Was I 7? No, I don't think I was 7. But whatever. But do not watch it. Please. Well, you can watch it if you want to, but it's pretty embarrassing to me. I thought it was cool back then. I mean, I kind kind of liked it, but only ever got 7 subscribers in its prime. I uploaded for a whole year. 7 subscribers ever. 4 of those were family. Yeah. So technically I only got 3 subscribers from random people. But let's break this pipe. So far my only subscribers are family member. I really hope you guys will subscribe if you like my videos, and I'm gonna try to post 2 daily since, I mean, it's pretty much the only responsibility I got is to post, really. Because, I mean, what else am I supposed to do as a kid? Dang. That's just junction. By the way, disclaimer. Might be flashing lights, and do not do any of this stuff in the real world, all those little kids out there. Do not do this in the real world, please. You could get yourself in jail. How many times will a pipe be broken in this video? Stop baby. Stop. Boom. Stop baby. Wait. Hold on. 360 no scope. Let's try and hit that pipe. How about this? 360 scope. 360 no scope. Sorry, I don't got that big of a mouse pad. I'm gonna be posting a lot for the next 2 days since it will be the weekend. So expect like maybe 4 videos at max for the next 2 days. I'm gonna try to upload a lot so I can get more viewers and more subscribers, hopefully. Cause like, I'm trying to beat my sister's old channel in subscribers, and it's not looking good for me. She got like 200 something. I forgot her channel name. She doesn't post on it anymore. It's got like 200 subscribers. Wait, it might even be 400. Probably 300 now since she stopped uploading, but yeah. Can we beat her? And we just need to get 400 subscribers. We beat her. Come on, guys. I know you can do it. For all those people watching, I know you guys can do it. Okay. There's not really much to do in this map if you ask me, but don't worry, I'll do more videos. I'm kind of in a rush and really so yeah. Alright. Can you guys just maybe, if this is the first video you're watching from me, check out my other videos. And if you're like, if I'm like an average YouTuber in like the future, and then you look back at my old videos and you're not subscribed, then subscribe and like the video. In fact, I've never gotten a single like in my last video, like in my other videos, in my like past channel stuff. Never got a like ever. Never ever. No. I've never gotten a like. Wait, let's explore that knot. Wait a second, these lifeboats. I make a lifeboat. Let's do something real quick. In creative mode. confirmed. Solid. Bop. Beep. Boop. Ba. Beep. Ba. Boop. Ba. Beep. Ba. Boop. Dappity doo dappy dap. Ba. Boop. Zip. Now this is the bottom. Dang it! Whatever. This boat got some mind of its own. It literally knew. The boat. Will it flow? The landos. A boat is supposed to float. I guess not. No, right. Wait, let's explore. Empty room everywhere you go, basically. But the basement. No basement here. This is our computer stuff. But I'm kind of running out of time, so... Now I'm all done with that. By the way, sorry about my last video. It had the taskbar. I meant to cut that out, but I forgot to. Villa Gordon. Okay. 8 minutes of recording. 19 minutes I've been recording. Jesus. I'm probably gonna do like 5 more minutes, so 24-minute video. Let's do this thing. Easy. Trick shot it. Easy. Latest issue of art today. Wow. What is this? Blue Tide? I got that, but in the new bottle. And did you see how fast I went up those stairs? I didn't. It's like going like faster than speed a lot. Wait, no, that might be copyright. That's copyright. No time for that? What do you mean? Give me that. Give me that. Popcorn. Why is popcorn infused with the glass? Why? Elevator. Give me elevator. Give me elevator. Why does it make the plane sound? Oh, wait. Oh, no, I want to go down. Oh, no, I actually want to go outside. I broke out. Ooh, look at these. This is the largest house, I believe, in the game. Nothing bigger. Yeah. Let's cut this out. Or cut out. No, you could have done this all the. How'd that get out of the bottom? You can drive under. Why does it look like that? Can you drive underwater? I never thought of that. Miss everything. Okay, 1 minute 30 seconds left. The video might end it here, but let's do it quick. How about that? We start drifting all around the park. That was 30 seconds. Yep, those are all the games. I'm gonna try to beat my record of 30 seconds. I think I might. I got better handling now. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Come on. Yes! 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 I beat it! See that new track record time. New record! I'm gonna do this again. Let off as much. That will be it for this video, and good